Hola, welcome to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for being here. So check it out. We're going to be doing some space nails. And here's what I have. Okay, hold up, hold up. Look at this beautiful thing. It's called Soft Space and Nature, I think. I'm not 1000% sure. I'll check on it. It's gonna be on the bottom and stuff though. And it's so beautiful with all these little cute, dreamy space stuff. And this is amazing. Look at that moon. Oh my gosh. The mountains is gorgeous, and this little shooting meteor or whatever. It looks really cute. It's just really cute images on here. So let's do something fun, right? We're gonna start with a black gel, and then I'm gonna top it with this lacquer right here. And I love the name. Now Striving to Be Humble, baby. So that is so cute, and look at it. It just looks like a galaxy, doesn't it? Look at that. So we're gonna, play on that on here with it. And let me actually show you. Hold up. The swap trip the other day, and this is it. So this is it by itself. No, I'm lying to you. I put it over the white. That's what it is. I put it over the white, and then here it was over the black. Bing bong. You see? So it's really purple violet looking, but over the black it just looks galaxy. So we're gonna play on it and dab a little bit of white and lighter blue on it. Boop. That's what we're doing. Let's get a head start. Start with my gel. Okay, so I picked it up 3 times because what I'm gonna do is put this guy in the middle, right? Boom, right? And then on the sides, just have it look like, like the little, and this one on this side, bam, like that. So let's color it in. over, okay? Alright, let's get our mountains on here. Let's go. Here we go, middle one. No, yeah, this is right. I want to be sure that my bottom is covered. I don't want any blue on the bottom. And while I could paint an additional spot, I want to be like, you know, plain, not that. I want it all to be textured with the little lines and stuff all the way down to the tip. Boom. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so 2 sides. Let's do it. And I'm dabbing, of course, because this stuff is already dry and it's not sticky polish or anything. With the sticky polish, even later on, you know, you're able to stamp it on without needing something sticky. So is this one right? Nope. This one. Espérate, that can't be right. Oh, because it's upside down. Okay, here we go. I want to make sure that I get my corner. You know what I mean? And that I'm down. So there I go. Boom. Nice. Yay! Now let's get the other side. That is so cute because it also still allows us to have plenty of sky to work with, you know? Here we go, other guy. Same thing, I want to make sure I cover all the way here and that my bottom is covered. That's my goal. And I think that's the one right here. Boom. I got a little teeny weeny bit right there. We're gonna cover that baby. Ah, but overall, I'm happy with it. Look at it. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna cut the bottom, you know what I mean? The sides, rather. And then, with a teeny weeny beanie, super duper dry. You know, I don't want it to be too heavy. Or nothing like that. Boom, boom. Look at a little top. There it is. Done. I'm gonna cut outside. And done right there. And on the other side as well. Boom. Okay, so I know I want that cutie pie. And a couple of clouds. The moon. You know, your tallest as per usual. There we go. Cutie pie. Well, want some of them. And the moon, right? But I want to shrink them because I want a smaller moon. And I have a smaller moon on another one, but it's different, you know what I mean? I want this one, it's so cute. Boom, some of those little tools, pagating. Like the little circle with the thing coming out of it, that's adorbs. I'm gonna shrink that guy. So let's get that moon, right? This little guy, I want the full circle, baby. Here we go. There we are. Bring them back down. Boom, boom. Cutie pie. I mean, I like them, you know. There he is. Alright, so these two guys are gonna have one of these. Which one do you guys think would be cute? I mean, this one is the most busy, you know what I mean? But this one is cute. I'm going with this one because although this one is adorbs, I'm gonna put this on top of it, and you're not really gonna get to see the adorableness. So I think this one would be the best because I would still have the adorableness all over in white, right? What do you think? Yeah, let's do right. Here we go. We want maximum popping, you know. If we want a minimal or medium, we use gray. There we go. Move, lady. Move, move. See, it's already dry. It dries so quickly. I don't work fast enough for it, guys. Okay, so let me get my bonder, basically. That's how we survive it, okay? Here we go. Boom, the baby first. There it is. And see if I can get that in the middle. Nice. There it is. Cute. Cute, cute. And another here. Okay, so we have a couple of things here. Let's get it together. We have our mountain. I love it with the meteor coming and stuff. Let's do this. Hey guys, please remember to like and subscribe.